Hi everyone, so let's go ahead and open the Woobles Advent Calendar. So we're going to go ahead and open it all at once. It's big, but it's only for 12 days. So let's get the flap down and the doors open. Here we go. So we can see it's got all the days. I guess we'll go in order. So we'll take out day 1, if I can get it out of here. Alright. So here's day 1. It's a pretty box. So day 1 is filled with, okay, it's going to be a snowman. There we go. And of course it contains everything you need. It's got all the yarn, and it's already started for you. And it's got the hook right there. And the polyfill and little bits of the other yarn that's needed. So that's cool. So we'll put that box back. And then we have day 2. So here's day 2. Love the back of that one. And this one, of course, contains, there's some red. Looks orange on my screen. And a little bit of orange and black. And some polyfill. And this hook is green. There's the thing. Oh, it's a beautiful cardinal. Well, it doesn't like to come in. It says, learn how to wooble inside. And of course, this usually contains a code to get the pattern, the safety eyes, and a tapestry needle. So that's what's in the envelope. So I'll put number 2 back. And number 3, way over here, is a skinny one. Looks like I gotta get 11 out to get 3. Okay. Here's number 3. It's a skinny mini. And number 3 has a decorated hook. And it's decorated with all the items from inside of the box. That's adorable. And it's got an empty tin, which is decorated to match the box. So I like that. We'll put that together. And number 4, it's a big box, and that's what the back looks like. And so number 4, it's made to be folded into like a couch, I think. It's already started for you again, and it's a gray. And there's some white. There's a red hook. And some polyfill. And of course, our little mini envelope. And this is a squirrel. And of course, it does say learn how to wooble. And there's our squirrel. So that's really cute. So we'll put back number 4. I'm not going to assemble this. I'm going to keep it all in the box. And here is number 5. It's just white, but the box is cute, very cute decorated. And in number 5, we have brown yarn. And the magic ring is already started for us. And we have white and tan. And of course we have polyfill. Lots of polyfill. And we have a blue hook right here. The hook is all the same size. If I'm not mistaken, it is a 4mm. All the hooks are the same size. This one is a reindeer. There it goes. So that's a reindeer. That's adorable. So lots of really cool characters. And I'm getting out number 6. Looks like 8's coming with it. So number 6 is really cute, decorated. And number 6 is a mini to go with everything here. It is for some tiny skis. Right there. That's cute. Okay. Let me find number 7 down here. Okay. Here's number 7. It says letter to Santa on the other side. And it's got letters on the top. And when we open this one up, again, it's going to be a mini. And it's for a tiny cardinal. And of course, these packets contain everything you need to make them. But it does not contain a hook. So that's cute. I'll put this one back. And now we're on to number 8, which looks like a chest. So that's really cute. And it's got the 8 on the bottom. And it's another mini. And we'll put the chest back. And this mini is a tiny chestnut. So that would be for the squirrel. And now I'm getting out number 9. You hear my cats playing. Number 9 looks like a present. And it's another mini. And this is tiny ice skates. These are cute. That's really cute. So a pair of tiny ice skates. I will assemble these. And of course, I'll store them in my cauldron with all my other Woobles. I will eventually hang them on a tree that I will put in my room when I get it cleaned up some. This is for hot cocoa. That's really cute. So that's a hot cocoa. And this box, honestly, it looks like a chimney. Yeah, looks like a chimney. So that was that. Okay, now we're on to number 11. This looks like another part of a couch or a bed. And this is 11. And again, it's another mini. And it is the sweaters for the cardinals. Sorry about that. That's the sweaters for the cardinals. I don't know if you can... There it goes. That's the cardinal sweaters. And we have one more box. So I'm getting out number 12, which is the last box. And of course, it's decorated all around the sides. And it's number 12. So number 12 is foam. Oh, that's what's in 12. I'll give you a good close-up of that as soon as I put this box back in the bigger box. That's really cute. Okay, let's close this up. Oh. Come on. There it goes. Let's close this up. It's very cumbersome. Alright. And this is really adorable. It is a snow globe. I am a lover of all things snow globey. That is a tiny snow globe. And that is adorable. It's got Woobles in it. It's super cute. I love that. It's extremely tiny. Come on, camera. There it goes. It's extremely tiny. Now, what do I think of this? I love the Woobles. I think they're fantastic. I think they are very overpriced, in my opinion. I probably will still keep getting them, unfortunately. But I think they're way overpriced. I don't think that we needed these plain hooks. I think these were a waste of money. There's another one over here. I think these were a waste of the money. These right here. These are a waste. We don't need these. We just need the one and the whole kit. This is a waste. Why? They're plain. This is fine. I actually give these away to people. This is fine. Just the one decorated hook would be good. That's all we needed. We didn't need the other plain ones. They're not any fun, actually. If you're going to do them, decorate them. This is absolutely adorable. They could have made it bigger, but it is adorable. But I don't think this is worth the money. I think it should be a lot cheaper. But I guess what you're paying for is the big box and stuff. So it is kind of fun to open. As you know, I did not open it day by day. I did it all at once. So I will enjoy making the little characters. Eventually I'll hang them on my tree. But all in all, I think it's overpriced by at least $50. But that's my personal opinion. But anyway, tell me what you guys think about the kit. In the meantime, please stay safe, be kind to one another, and as always, happy yarning. Bye now.